What is up, YouTube? We're back today with another sneaker review, and this time we got one that's super cool. I picked up the Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux this past week, and I'm happy to have it in this time. So it's crazy. I finally got another Air Jordan 1. I haven't got one since the Pollens, so I only have the Pollens, the UNCs, and the Fusion Reds, so now I can add the Bordeaux to the list. I think this was a really slept-on colorway. Shout out to the guys at Soul Savvy. Obviously, I'm in the community, so they help get me ready for this release, and I was able to pick these up on Exclusivity, so shout out to them out there in Montreal. And yeah, I was able to pick them up actually in 12 and a half. So like I was saying before, this is like a red velvet type of look. So you know, I love that color. When I see mock-ups of these like a year ago, I'm like, I gotta have these when they come out. I think it just gives me like really cool vibes of like almost like mocha vibes kind of. I think these were slept on, like I said. And even just being able to get them in 12 and a half is crazy rare. So yeah, I was really happy about that. And yeah, let's break down the sneaker right now, and let's start with the box. So yeah, here's the box. Normal box for Air Jordan 1 highs. It's nothing new here. It's got obviously the Nike swoosh logo in black and red, and then on the sides, all on the sides, and then the bottom obviously the same old tag with made in China. But the big part obviously is the tag here, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colors are Bordeaux / metallic silver white. Let's get right into the shoes, the Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux. All right, and here are these bad boys. Can't go wrong with these. But yeah, you can. I feel like you could style these a lot of different ways. You know, it's definitely hard, but it's a lot deeper than I thought when I bought it online, seeing the pictures. But yeah, so if you did order them and you don't know, if you're not too sure about the color, it is more deep. I think it's deeper than the sweater I'm wearing. So yeah. But I'll break down the sneaker a little bit for you, the details. So right on the main side of the sneaker. So you notice automatically right away, this gives you vibes from the Japan ones that came out last year. So pretty much we can put it up here, the Tokyo ones, like the silver ones, and then you had the Midnight Navy ones we can have up here as well. These ones, they both had this silver swoosh. It's kind of like shiny almost, and then it's got the Wings logo in this like metallic, like it's like it's almost like glass, if you can see that. I think it maybe would have been a little bit better if they just kept this Bordeaux color, but you can't get everything you want. It's not a deal breaker for me, but that could be like things that, you know, you could have a gripe about. By the way, the quality on this sneaker, by the way, incredible. You know, just like everything about it, just very plush and stuff. Looks very distressed. Looks like fucking leather. So definitely like that. And on the back side, it's obviously got a little bit silver from the swoosh there, and then just burgundy. And I really like how you can really see like a lighter shade of maroon that comes out from the materials of the sneaker. I really like that touch. And then the toe box, obviously really good toe box. Can't go wrong with that. As you can see, it's really nice. Man, the Nike Air tongue with the Bordeaux, man, that looks incredible. So I really like that. Obviously, it's got the same sort of thing on the back, made in China stuff. And then it also has, I couldn't get it in the B-roll, I don't think, but yeah, it says 12 and a half. It's got the regular Jordan tag, but the production was April 28th through actually June 22nd. So a little bit big production time. So you can tell there's a decent amount of pairs here. On the insole, if I was able to get it, it's pretty much silver, and it's got Nike Air inside it in Bordeaux. And yeah, and also the outsole in this beautiful Bordeaux color. If you can see that, it looks incredible. You know, I cannot wait to wear this. This is a really good fall sneaker to wear. And yeah, it did also come with Bordeaux laces. The Bordeaux ones were actually already in. I switched them out for the white ones that came with it. I thought there would be more laces, like maybe like black or something like that, but because they've been adding a lot of laces in lately. But yeah, they just threw white in with these, and I think I like the white with it more. It pops a little bit. I think overall, they did a good job on these. No issues, I don't think so. Yeah, Jordan Brand did a good job with these. And I also did an on foot with these with my gray OVO cargos I got on right now, and yeah, so you can check out how they look with the on feet. And yeah, guys, that's my quick review of the Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux. Let me know what you think of these. Is this one that you picked up? Is this one that, you know, you think could be a big sleeper in the past? I think this can go up in value. And the fact that are they getting a little bit easier to get now? I don't know. The patent breads are coming out at the end of December, so I'm looking to grab those as well. So we'll see. It's supposed to be a lot of pairs on those, but let me know what you're shooting for around this holiday time. Did you pick up anything for your loved ones or friends? Let us know down below, and what you would rate these pickups. Rate the Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux for me down in the comment section down below. And yeah, guys, we appreciate you for watching if you did, and if you made it to this part of the video, if you even consider leaving a like, commenting, subscribing, turn that post notification bell down below as well. It helps us a ton. And if you want to see more content like this, we post weekly, whether it's sneaker, fitted hat content, unboxings, reviews, reactions, challenges, fun stuff. Especially around the holidays, we'll be posting a lot. So while you're at home and stuff doing your thing, you can check us out as well. So anyways, guys, appreciate you guys for watching this video as I said before. And that was my review of the Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux. Peace.